Wait. Okay, now. Okay, Mr. Harry. So my name is Dhruv, and just tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Harun Safi. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
my real name is Harun Safi, and I am from Delhi. And I have completed my BTech from Sharda University, Greater Noida. And I am a civil engineer right now. And I am working with BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. And
Mm-hmm.
I would like to do in free time like listening music and watching new series and explore new things. So that's my hobby. And what about you? What would you like to most? And so
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly. So as I told, my name is Dhruv, and I'm from Madhya Pradesh. So in my free time, or maybe all the time, I like to read books, and sometime in a weekend, I like to watch Hollywood movies. I'm fond of Hollywood movies. So yeah, definitely I watch Hollywood movies. Rarely I watch any Bollywood movies. And but the books that I read, okay, you want to ask something? You can ask.
no, no. I just want to know that which movie you have watched last.
Okay, like last didn't remember, but nowadays just because I'm watching a TV series, like Friend TV series.
Web
So
series,
I'm yeah, it's a Friend TV series.
Frank. Acha, Frank
Yeah,
TV series. Friends.
Friend, exactly,
Okay.
Friend. Yeah, yeah.
No,
So
I know about it. Yeah, I already
mm,
watched it.
exactly. So that is totally amusing, and it teaches us many more things, like how to live our life, how to live with friends, or maybe how to manage all the things, just because it
Yeah,
totally it is totally based on your real life, like after maybe graduation, what we are doing, job, we are living by ourselves, we are making money, we are hanging out.
yeah,
So that is a best TV series, I think, if someone wants to learn their English language. So only for that purpose I watch every single day. And I think maybe you have also watched might the movie that is Avenger, and the
yeah.
series of
Avenger
Avenger.
Marvels movie.
Exactly. So I
Yeah.
have watched all those movies, and also I have watched Iron Man.
Iron
Just
Man.
because. Yeah,
Yeah, I
exactly.
am also fond of Hollywood movie, so I know
Yeah.
each and
So
every movie name.
yeah, so
I
totally.
have
I
already
like
watched many movies.
exactly. So same. I just love adventurous movies. So definitely, whenever I have a time, I watch that.
So, what is your most favorite movies till now?
Till now, I can say, like maybe Iron Man series, just because I love the
Iron.
work of, Tony Stark. I
Yeah, yeah.
love
Science
the
fiction,
work that
sci-fi.
they
Yeah,
exactly. That he did totally on his office, how he did.
how he
I love
manage all
that
the things
part.
online.
Exactly, all the things, and he invent many things, and also we know he like he was billionaire, but still he somehow managed to work a lot in his office. He has even security, but still he worked a lot. So I love that part, and
Yeah, like
like
yeah, in spite of billionaire, he doing work for nation. He want to save people life. But
mhm.
regardless of he do anything, but still they pretend that he is very worried about our world. They want to save our people life. So this is nice thing in Iron Man.
Exactly, yeah, it is. It is totally nice thing. And do you also read any books?
Actually, I don't like to read book because
Mm,
so I didn't read any books till now
okay. Mm-hmm.
because and I just love to watch series, English series and movies all because
Yeah.
I love to see those things which is visible. But in books, just words are written. There is no any picture, so it's looking so boring. So I
Okay.
that's why I don't want to. I don't like to read books. I just read newspaper and current
Mhm.
affairs also. But nothing.
Exactly. Newspaper is also a very good source, If you want to improve your vocabulary and sentence formation, it is a very, very good source. And
Yeah,
I also read only the single editorial of the Hindu, nothing more than that. I don't read whole newspaper. but I read only single
I
editorial.
I I also take 3 or 4 days to complete a single newspaper. I
Okay.
never read a whole newspaper at a time.
Yeah. I
So
think I think it is, totally also depend on a person. Like if they are reading for any news, then maybe they had to read a little bit heading, then they are
yeah,
going on. But a person who is just want to improve their English knowledge and
it,
vocabulary, that part they can read like news for like 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. How many days he want to read that paper? It is not an issue.
yes, because he want to learn something. That's why
Mhm.
he don't care that what is happening in the world. Just he take newspaper as per he read newspaper for learning something. He don't want to look what's going on around us and many more. So the thing is newspaper is reading for necessary for learning.
Yeah, exactly. It is a very important source and it is a very rich source. So like, and I think we both are trying to improve our English language. That's why we are here, and I
Yeah,
think it is very good to connect with both of us, like you and me. Actually, we also create our session, a Zoom session, but in that part, I think there are more members. So that is also good. Just because of that session, I think more member can connect at one time. Like it is, if I'll try to connect with all the people one by one, it is not possible whole day. But at least in that session there are more than 10, 9, 8 people,
uh,
so they all can practice with each other. So
but now this is good because we have much time to speak. But in Zoom session, we just limited time. We can speak
mhm.
for limited time, for limiting timing. So this is yeah, we can say this is a demerit of Zoom session. This is a good thing. We can learn something more by this single conversation, individually conversation to each other.
I
We
think
can say
is both is important. Both is important. Like
both are
we
important.
can.
Yeah, I know. Both are important. We have to we have to connect more people. If you want to learn
Exactly,
something,
that's
then
why.
you have to connect with more people. That's why that's
True.
then and only you can learn something. If you are
Hmm.
if you are hesitate to speak with other people who you don't know who is and that's this is a main problem. This is if you regularly connect with people who you don't know about them, so it will be good for if you are not know anything about them, so it will be a good for you to know about them, okay, how he is living and how they survive their life. So you have lots of questions to ask to them. So this is a good thing for unknown people if you are talking with unknown people. So I think
Exactly. It is awesome for them. Just because it is not possible for me and for you to create for everyone. Like, we have more than 15 and 17 members on our group. So if we will try to create every single day, it won't be possible. But just because of that group, it is possible. Even if someone wants to connect with us more than 10 people, 8 people, 6 people, we all can connect at one time.
yeah,
Like in just between 40 minutes. So then in that time, it is awesome that all the people can interact with each other, and that is how we can learn. So I think now
yeah,
today, like whatever we are doing, it is a part of normal conversation, and I think this is I want to say my viewers, whenever they will watch this video, that it is a normal conversation, and this is how anyone can start it. It
yeah.
has nothing any kind of rocket science that you need a very big vocabulary or you need a good command in English. It's okay if you have a normal English, you can again start your conversation with any stranger, right, Harry?
Yeah, yeah, you are right. You are absolutely right. You're 100% right. Because if you are not speak, then I think I am. If I share my experience, I know I have a good collection of vocabulary. I think I
Mm-hmm.
have more than 15,000 collection of words, but still I hesitate to speak because sometimes happen. Sometimes the sentence is in my mind, but it's not convey from my mouth just because of I am not speak regularly. If I speak
Yes,
regularly, then yeah,
this is the only reason. There is no any other reason. It's just because of lack of little bit practice.
yeah, yeah.
Otherwise, yeah, anyone can
Some
speak and
yeah.
anyone can be fluent. Yeah,
Sometimes happen that one word is around us, roaming in my mind, that it will not come out from my mouth, that when I need it will just happen when I speak on regular basis. That
sure.
then only your fluently comes. Then only you become more fluent.
Exactly. So with the all this conversation that we have made currently, I think we are also running out of time. So after a few seconds, I will stop it. But the most important thing that we are learning from this session is we need more and more practice. Like you, Harry, told you have a lot of vocabulary, you know very well English. Okay, but just because you are not doing practice, that's why sometimes it talent comes from your mouth, from your mouth whenever you want to speak. So for
Right.
that we need a practice, and we need practice like this. It is a very interactive session, and it's interactive kind of practice that we are making, and we don't have to pay anyone, like
Yeah,
most.
yeah. This is a good thing. No need to pay anything. Hello,
Okay, now I think.
the time is gone.
Mm-hmm.
The time is running, eh?
Yeah, sure,
Yeah.
okay. So with this, okay, you want to say something about English, that how people can practice, and then we will end up this session. So maybe after like this session, we will create another session where we will talk about different parts of English.
Okay. Just I want to say that speak on regular basis. That then only you can improve yourself. Otherwise, if you not speak on regular basis, you can't be improve your English. Speak, become fluent. The speak is must. If you will not speak, then you can't be fluent. I think this is my opinion.
Exactly. And do you want to suggest our viewers to make a session like this to connect with us so they can also learn? It is helpful for you or not? Firstly, tell me this.
This is very helpful for me. Cause and one good thing is about it. It is free of cost. You don't need to pay anything to connect with others. If we talking about other app like a Cambly, you need to pay some money to connect with other people. But the good thing is here, you no need to pay anything.
Yeah,
It is just free of cost. So this is a good thing, and by this you can learn more because if you whenever you free, you can talk with other people. So this is
exactly.
a good
Okay.
thing,
So
and
yeah.
this is very useful for me. And I have confidence that and we can say that I am getting confidence by you and
Yeah,
other
sure.
people. I think after 1 and 2 months, I strongly believe that after 2 and 3 months I will become more fluent. So I would like to thank you to give
Yeah.
me this platform to improve my English. So
Exactly, it's my pleasure. And at the last, I want to say all my viewers, if you want to connect with us, I'm going to put on a comment box my Skype ID or my Telegram channel. So just subscribe my channel. And also, if you want to connect with us, you can message me in my Telegram group. So I'll find you there. And this is how you can also connect with me. So thank you for
yeah,
listening, all the guys.